All right, get fresh cheese and hang out with baby goats all in one stop.
That's right. Ashley is live checking out a local farm that does it all. Hi, making friends.
Morning. Okay, so Mercury loves my skirt. It looks like everyone loves my skirt. In fact, Mercury just enjoyed a morning snack, gnawing on the hem of this skirt. I'm gonna let you. Okay, you want to eat that? All right, there we go. I'm gonna just let her gnaw away. This is what I asked for. I did say, can we go into the pen? It's all good. Okay, you guys, this is TV. I don't want to get an FCC violation. Okay, there we go. We're gonna have like a Janet Jackson moment here in just a moment. Hanging out at Spenker Family Farms in Lodi.
So
what a great place.
Yet,
okay,
people.
Mercury, you are just having a good time. Mercury. Okay. No, it's all good. And what's this one's name? Because that's now.
So that one is Jupiter. That's her sister.
Oh, so Jupiter and Mercury, they have
They're
quite
all
the
named after
personality.
planets?
Oh, yes, they do. They are super ready for goat events and for everybody to come out and say hi to them. So
Yeah, let's take a look around. Let's talk about what you guys offer here on property.
yes, so obviously we do have a bunch of the goats and they're all dairy breeds. So that's why we have all these babies, is that we make goat cheese.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
What happened?
Being attacked by little baby goats. And so that is one of the things that you can do around here is we do have different goat events. We have our goat yoga and good night goat events where you too can have all this personal attention from baby goats.
Yeah, which I love. Okay, but on top of baby goats, guys, you also offer, if you're just tuning in, wine and cheese, which is actually probably one of the more important parts here because who doesn't want to enjoy a baby goat without having a glass of wine or enjoying some cheese?
Yes, so the winery actually came first and then we started the dairy. And so, yes, you could do wine and cheese tastings, grab a glass of wine, watch the goats, enjoy the farm and the birds chirping.
Yeah.
The whole farm experience.
Okay, so earlier, of course, we know Mercury by now, and of course we know, what's her name again?
Mercury and Jupiter.
And Jupiter, that's right. Okay, so you actually have a name for everybody here on the farm. So let's go ahead and, should we try to name all the goats?
Oh, we could try
If we can. But let's start with here. Who do we have here?
All right, that one is Avalon. We have Rosie. We have Splash. The one I'm holding here is little Valentina. She was born on Valentine's Day.
Oh, hello, Valentina. Beautiful. All right, so we give up on that. These two are just, okay, do I need to run? Okay, we can have some fun. All right, there it is. We'll make sure to link Spenker Family Farm to our website, gooddaysacramento.com. Y'all are just having too much fun. This is sweet. What time is the yoga on Saturday?
I guess so. It's this Saturday and Sunday. There's a 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, but we do host them through Memorial Day.
Okay, perfect. And again, we'll make sure to link it all to the website, gooddaysacramento.com. If you come, wear clothing that you don't mind getting nibbled on. We'll be right back. Hello. Hello.